just gonna go through Inwood and come back. You coming?
We're coming right back downstairs. I live here.
Y'all gonna come?
Yeah.
You gotta come. She like she's scared.
I gotta DM him, so.
I'm probably better enough.
All right. First.
I'll watch you on YouTube.
For real?
Hey,
You ain't you subscribe to the channel? For sure.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Finna ride. They probably some rehab shit.
Well, that's probably a shelter, bitch.
Oh, like you can't park right there. You see the arrow?